Namaste everyone, this is Shivi Goel, the author on travel and the spirited blogger. I know the summer is just rounding up in most parts of India, but this video is for the summer hikes, for the scenic hikes in India, which you can go during the summers and mid of the monsoons to have an unforgettable experience and adventure. Before we go ahead in the video, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. It's always beautiful to know that what you think about it, and it's a learning for myself also. This channel is all about knowledge, learning, travel, and lots more. Also, don't forget to keep a check on the books, notebooks, and journals and the merch, which is for everyone, which I'm making, and I'm leaving the link in the description. I've actually written a blog also, so in detail if you want to read more about the scenic trails in India and about those treks which you can go for, please do read the blog. I'm leaving the link in the description. Right. All know that India is diverse and its innate splendor is equally multifarious, from the majestic summits of the Himalayas to the verdant expanse of the Western Ghats. Countless scenic trails and forbidden and secluded treks are ideal for the summer excursion. So therefore, if you are brooding for a summer getaway in India or in the mid-monsoons, here are some of the most remarkable treks you may consider. The Rajmachi fort is a historical hill fort in Maharashtra's Sahyadri mountain region. It is a famous trekking site at a height of 2,710 feet. This fort features two summits. Number one is Srivardhan and another is Manaranjan. From there, the breathtaking views will gonna just take your heart away. It's surrounded by hills and valleys, and the forts remain, and the architecture is a subject of study. It also has a long history and once was a stronghold of the Maratha Empire. The Rajmachi fort climb is a very straightforward climb and can be completed in a day, so not to worry about it. It's one of the best weekend retreats from Mumbai or Pune. The next is the David Scott Trail, which is in Meghalaya state, one of the most beautiful trekking routes in the region and in the northeastern part of India. The trail is named after a British officer who constructed it in the 19th century. It passes through some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the region. The route takes you through the dense forest, the sacred forest, the rolling hills, and the lush meadows. The trail offers stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys as well. It's one of the best for the trekkers and the adventure seekers. The trek is moderate and can be completed in 5 to 6 days. Okay, so the best walk for the adventure solicitors who want to explore the natural magnificence of Meghalaya. The next on the list is Kerala. Now in Kerala, there's Chemra Peak, which is the highest peak in the Western Ghats of the Kerala, which is located in the district of Wayanad. Now it stands at an elevation of 2,100 meters and it is really famous trekking destinations for adventure enthusiasts. The trek to Chemra Peak takes through dense forest, grasslands, meadows, lot of panoramic views surrounding the Western Ghats and mountains and valley. It can be completed in 2 to 3 days, and the peak is also known for its biodiversity and rare flora and fauna, making it a fantastic spot for botanical enthusiasts and nature lovers. This one is something I owe to Lord Shiva and Mahadev, from a believer of Lord Shiva and the Shiva energy. This is Tughnath for you guys. This is in Uttarakhand and it's a beautiful temple and a trek, of course, in northern India. It is one of the Panch Kedar temples that is devoted to Lord Shiva. It is situated at an altitude of 3,680 meters approximately, making it the world's highest temple of the Lord Shiva. On this note, I would like to tell you that I have written a separate blog on it, so go check the website. I'm gonna drop the link in the description. The temple is also favored pilgrimage destination among the trekkers. Towards Tughnath is moderate, and it is through the beautiful meadows and dense forest and snow-covered peaks. This walk also offers stunning views of the surrounding Himalayan range, which is breathtaking. The temple is open from April to November, and visiting Tughnath is a spiritual and a cultural experience for a lot of spiritual seekers that will gonna leave you with a beautiful and solitude full of meditative experience. Next I give you is Anamalai Tiger Reserve, that is in Tamil Nadu. Anamalai Tiger Reserve is a beautiful wildlife sanctuary which is in the Western Ghats of Tamil Nadu. The area that it covers is 958 square kilometers and it's home for the diverse range of flora and fauna. The sanctuary is also the highest population, one of the highest population of tigers. That makes it an important tiger conservation site, and other majestic creatures it offers you to see and visit. You can also spot leopards, elephants, boars, and various species of birds. The sanctuary has several trails for trekking also. Hence, I've included this in the list. This one is Triund, that is in Himachal Pradesh, my second home, as I mentioned. Triund is a scenic and beautiful and the most sorted hiking location in the northern Indian state of Himachal Pradesh. And let me tell you guys that this was the first trek which I did when I started my solo traveling somewhere around 14 years back. Yeah. So it is at the height of 2,828 meters approximately, and it provides breathtaking views of the neighboring and the surrounding Dhauladar mountain ranges. The journey to Triund is moderately easy and a little difficult both at the same time, but it can be completed in a single day, so don't worry, it's best for the beginners also. It's a perfect weekend retreat as well, because if you are in Delhi, Chandigarh and nearby states, you can just go for a weekend scenic trail also. The walk leads you to the deep oak and rhododendron forest, and finally at the summit you have a snow hill cafe there where you can enjoy your Maggie. And then once you reach up high on the hill, you'll be rewarded with the stunning vistas of the Himalayan peaks and Dhauladar ranges. My favorite thing for the trek is the 22 to 24 zigzag small kind of shapes, trails, which takes you to the peak. That's a wrap for this video. For detailed information on these hikes and trails, please check out the blog which I have written on the website. Also, guys, before you embark on your scenic trails in India, make sure you prepare well and you pack light, because you'll have to carry your backpack. You may not always find some Sherpas or some helping hand or locals. If you can, it's always great. Don't forget to pack your bags with a backpack, light, a raincoat, and the necessities. If you want to check out the full list, I have a blog written and a video made. You can check that as well. I leave you all with these thoughts as of now. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video and would be useful and informative. If you have got anything out of it, you can just comment down. It's always beautiful to know, and I'll be happy about it. I'll see you next time. Until then, please keep smiling and be happy. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.